For the past year, I've been posting Python tutorials onto my YouTube channel, but what's the use? There are so many reasons to learn Python before any other coding language, but 3 stand out the most. Hello everyone, my name is Eklab, and this is Why Python. First up, simplicity. Python is super simple and easy to learn, whether it's syntax to pin down errors or just the understanding of how to code with Python. For example, this is a print statement in Python, and these are the different ways text can be shown in JavaScript. You see a difference? Yeah, I thought so. Almost any concept has harder lines of code than Python, whether that language be JavaScript, React, C#, it all doesn't matter. Python is usually way more simple. Second, understanding. Before I talk about this, I just want to note that almost all coding languages have the same concepts like variables, input, functions, if statements, else statements, while loops, for loops. Almost anything in any language has the same concepts, but they are all created for different uses. Think about it this way. If all different names of sandwiches tasted the same, were the same, what would really be the difference? There would be no point. Different coding languages are also made up in this scenario. Different coding languages do different things, but they all sort of stay around the same concept. So now that you understand that all coding languages are the same, but just for different uses, Python is super great to learn because it's easy and it helps you understand the concepts for when you learn those other coding languages like JavaScript, C++, C#, even just C. So then if you go into another job or just want to learn another language for fun, you're already going to know the fundamentals. There are so many good jobs that will pay a good amount as a Python engineer. Python is also well known for creating desktop GUIs. A GUI stands for Graphical User Interface, which basically just means a responsive screen. Python also helps with machine learning, or as many probably know, AI. Well, now you know. In the last few minutes, you've learned the importance of learning Python and how it can benefit you even if you aren't interested in becoming any type of software developer. One more thing. I'll see you in 2025.